Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is great.
Is the soup good?
Yes, very delicious.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What size coffee?
A large one, please.
Is the coffee strong?
Yes, very strong.
Do you take milk?
Yes, just a little.
Do you want sugar?
No, thank you.
Is the menu in English?
Yes, right here.
What is today's special?
Grilled chicken with vegetables.
Is it spicy?
No, not at all.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, yes.
Is the food fresh?
Yes, always fresh here.
How much is this?
It is $5.
Is service included?
Yes, it is included.
Can I have the bill?
Yes, one moment, please.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, we do.
Can I pay by phone?
Yes, of course.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, what do you have?
Is the cake good?
Yes, very tasty.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
Is there ice cream?
Yes, 3 flavors.
What flavors do you have?
Vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
Can I get a refill?
Yes, right away.
Is the water cold?
Yes, with ice.
Do you want sparkling water?
No, still, please.
Is the restaurant busy?
Yes, very popular.
Do you like this place?
Yes, very cozy.
Have you been here before?
Yes, many times.
Is the staff friendly?
Yes, very kind.
Do you like the decor?
Yes, very warm and nice.
Is it quiet here?
Yes, nice and calm.
Do you eat out often?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes on weekends.
What is your favorite meal?
Breakfast is my favorite.
Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, always.
What do you have for breakfast?
Eggs and toast.
Do you like vegetarian food?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you vegetarian?
No, but I try.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, I like salmon.
Do you like salads?
Yes, with olive oil.
Is the portion big?
Yes, very generous.
Are you still hungry?
No, I am full.
Did you enjoy the meal?
Yes, it was perfect.
Is the food hot?
Yes, just arrived.
Do you want more bread?
Yes, please.
Is the bread fresh?
Yes, baked today.
Do you like soup?
Yes, especially tomato.
Is it a cold soup?
No, it is hot.
Do you want an appetizer?
Yes, the salad, please.
How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes.
Is there a table outside?
Yes, in the garden.
Do you prefer inside or outside?
Inside, it is warmer.
Is the music too loud?
No, it is nice.
Do you like background music?
Yes, it is relaxing.
Can we move tables?
Yes, of course.
Is this table okay?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No, not yet.
Can I get one today?
Yes, fill this form.
Do you come here often?
Yes, it is my favorite.
Do you know the owner?
Yes, he is very nice.
Is this a chain restaurant?
No, it is family owned.
Do you like family restaurants?
Yes, more personal.
Is parking available?
Yes, behind the building.
What time do you close?
We close at 10.
Do you take reservations?
Yes, call us first.
Is it fully booked tonight?
No, we have tables.
Do you have a kids menu?
Yes, right here.
Is the kids meal good?
Yes, children love it.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, password on the card.
Can I charge my phone?
Yes, near the counter.
Is the toilet nearby?
Yes, near the entrance.
Do you have a takeaway menu?
Yes, we deliver too.
Can I order online?
Yes, on our website.
How long is delivery?
About 30 minutes.
Is delivery free?
Yes, over $20.
Did you enjoy your visit?
Yes, absolutely wonderful.
Will you come back?
Yes, definitely next week.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. See you soon.